Alright, hey guys, this is my custom bike check. We'll start up here. I have the ODI long neck super softs. They're actually really nice. This is only my second pair. I have the Odyssey mono lever with the medium lever. It just got that really smooth. The Flybikes brake cable, pretty nice. The DK Sigma bars, they are 8.65 rise with 29 wide, and they're really big, and I like that. I have the premium sub V2 stem, top load, of course. The premium headset holds up really nice. Up here we have the stock fit forks, like big forks, they're nice. I have the nitrous single shot unsealed front wheel. Pretty shitty, I don't really like it at all. Need a new front wheel. I have the for tire, I have the Fit FAF 2.3. Not the greatest, not enough tread. I have the Verde Cartel Corelli frame, 21 top tube. Really nice. Down here we have the Redline device cranks. They're nice. It's pretty freaking strong. 48 spine. Back here we have the Animal bottom bracket. Works just fine. Really fast and smooth, as you can see right here. I like that. I have the S&M 101 pedals. Just got those from a buddy. They're nice. Kind of loud though, but whatever. I have the premium Narstar sprocket, 25 tooth, with the KMC 410H chain. Holds up really nice. Super duty. I have the Cult to Cult seat, one-piece seat. Hopefully getting a fat seat soon. The seat, I don't know, I don't really like it that much. I have the Exposure U brakes. They hold up nice, just a cheap pair of brakes that I got from my dad. I have a lizard skin, and that's so the chain, when it slaps the frame, doesn't scratch it. I have the Alienation stock back wheel, 9-tooth driver, right-hand drive. Don't really, it's getting old, and the hub's screwed up. I had to replace the bearings once or twice. Gonna build a custom wheel soon. And then finally in the back I have a Fly Reuben 2.25. And yes, I'm aware that the tread is on backwards, changing that soon. So yeah guys, that's my custom bike check. Just let me know what you think, like and comment. Alright, I'm out.